Hey guys, check this out. This is the Sulfurn ST1, a premium EDC flashlight na built to last and styled to lead. Kaya ipapakita namin sa inyo ang features niya bago namin ito dalhin sa next camping adventures namin.
Una, tignan nyo yung design. Cyber-inspired look na sobrang sleek. Gawa sa aerospace-grade aluminum alloy, kaya solid at matibay kahit mabagsak. Compact pa, so madali lang dalhin sa bag or bulsa. May one-button control siya. Dito mo na makokontrol ang on and off, brightness, battery check, at lock mode. At kung gusto mong iwasan ng accidental press sa bag, double tap lang to lock. Smart, di ba? It also has multi-brightness levels, perfect for different uses, from super bright mode to moonlight mode para tipid battery. Ang battery nito ay 2,100 mAh, kaya tumatagal ng up to 450 hours on low mode. At kung mabilis ang charge lang, may USB-C fast charging ka. Around 45 minutes lang, full charge ka na. May LED indicator din para makita mo agad ang battery status. Ang lakas ng buga, up to 1,500 lumens, brightness at 226 meters beam distance, plus IPX7 waterproof, so ready kahit sa ulan o basa ang paligid.
So kung gusto mo ng matibay, stylish at powerful flashlight, check out the Sulfurn ST1. Suited for everyday carry, and we can't wait to test it out on our next camping adventures. Build to last, styled to lead.